Okay, there's the audience, and there's the speech giver.
I'm sure at one time or another you have heard the debate about medical marijuana. Have you been curious and wondered how such a thing could be useful for medicine? Throughout history, marijuana has been used to treat many different illnesses and disease. From ancient tribes to recent empires, numerous stories of what medical marijuana were used for has been told. In the United States, marijuana has been used both medically and recreationally. Until the states started making it illegal in 1906, the federal government added marijuana to its illegal recreational drug list in the 1930s and made the medical use of marijuana illegal in the 1960s. Since 1996, many states have recognized the medical advantages of marijuana and started making laws to help their suffering citizens. There are millions of suffering patients that have every single right in the world to use medical marijuana to comfort and help them through their suffering and pain. If you have ever had a loved one or even known someone with a painful and debilitating disease or sickness, you should understand that they deserve to have the medical marijuana as a treatment option. There have been thousands of studies done on medical marijuana and its effects, but I can tell you, after I talk about the proven benefits, clear up some of the fact and fiction, and tell you about what almost 1/3 of America has already done to make medical marijuana legal, you will be a supporter in the fight for our suffering citizens too. Medical marijuana has thousands of medical benefits. According to normal.org, an article posted on December 17th, 2010, there have been numerous studies proving its benefits. Medical marijuana can help MS patients by reducing spasms and pain. It is the #1 reliever of pain and spasms out of all the other treatment options. It relieves pain in patients with life-threatening diseases such as cancer, diabetes, HIV and AIDS, spinal cord injuries, and many other diseases. It also helps relieve nausea. Almost 1/3 of the United States today has legalized medical marijuana. More and more states are opening their eyes and realizing that it is a useful substance. 15 states, including Washington, D.C., now allow the use of medical marijuana. The amendment for Washington, D.C. passed with a 13-0 vote in 2010. For the most part, the bills have been similar to the other states that have passed. 3 of the states allow non-residents to purchase medical marijuana cards. 5 of the states accept out-of-state cards. 13 of the states allow patients and their caregivers to cultivate their own medical plants. This makes it easy for patients to obtain and pay for their medicine. As I have pointed out, medical marijuana has its place and purpose to be legal in the United States. There are many benefits that can change people's life if they have the option to use this substance. Much of the fear has come from marijuana from untrue rumors. As studies have shown, medical marijuana is much better for you than leading prescription drugs, with less side effects, and it is also more affordable. Now you know the truth behind the benefits and that thousands of other people are also fighting for the legalization of medical marijuana. Take action and support the legalization of medical marijuana. Tell people about the benefits of it. Try and contact your state politician and let him know that there is a support for the legalization of medical marijuana. We should not and shall not stop people's rights to use medical marijuana.
I agree with that.